everyone, it's me, Girly. So for today's video ay mag-unboxing ako again. Yes, mag-unboxing ako again. And what is the product? Tan-tararan! Pang tumbler. Ayan. So, this is the Elizabeth Arden Sparkling Holiday collection. So, this is special edition for the holiday, for the Christmas. If you would remember, I also did unboxing ng Estée Lauder for the special edition Blockbuster 2019-2020. So, Elizabeth Arden is originally from New York. Wala siya dito kaya in any drugstore or in any luxury cosmetics store. And I really like to find this one because I have this blush on. See? Yan. This was my first ever makeup from Elizabeth Arden and it's really good. I really like the quality of this makeup. So, I would tell you this is already for 10 years, but I'm still using it. Yes, don't judge me for that. 10 years na. So, I said, okay, let's find another Elizabeth Arden makeup because the quality is good. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this one. But yeah, so let's see inside. Ayan. It's still closed. So, like the Estée Lauder, meron din siyang bag. And they have 2 eyeshadow palette, 1 blush on, 2 lip gloss, 4 lipstick, 1 mascara, and 1 eyeliner. So, let's see inside. Ano ba ang kanilang actual look? And let's open it and join me! Talagang nakasealed pa siya. Ayan. So, this is the suitcase bag ng Elizabeth Arden with metal buttons. Ayan. And the bag smells good. Parang siyang matapang. It's like real leather but I don't know yet kung it's real leather. So, this is smaller than the other one, than the Estée Lauder. But yeah, eto, wala siyang name ng Elizabeth Arden. So, pag binuksan, ayan! Wow! So, eto ang una nyo makikita. This is like tutorial makeup. Meron siyang English. And I don't know the other language. This is for English. Ayan. And these are the product inside. Really nice kasi talagang sparkling, talagang glittery. Let's open it one by one. And by the way, I'm not gonna swatch it because may plano akong gawin dito. I'm not gonna use this all. I'm gonna share the love with this makeup with my friends. So, to tell you, I bought this also to give away for my friends. So, i-keep ko lang yung ibang product dito but the rest, I will give it away. Ipang-ririgalo ko for this Christmas. Ayan. So, this is the makeup nakalagay sa plastic. And the bag itself. Ayan. Maganda siyang like toilet bag pag magta-travel. Or, I can cannot say use it for handbag. Not really nice as a handbag. But yeah, for like traveling, this is good toilet bag. And see, is the eyeshadow palette, the blush on, the mascara, the eyeliner, the 4 lipstick, and 2 lip gloss. So, bubuksan natin siya. So, first is the Elizabeth Arden eyeshadow. Ayan, ang eyeshadow. The second is, wala siyang plastic cover, so I don't know why. But the other one has the plastic cover. Ayan, naka-plastic cover siya. Ayan. And let's go on with the blush on. With the blush on, I really plan to keep it for myself. Because, as you can see, my old Elizabeth Arden blush on is really overused. Ayan. Ayan siya. Elizabeth Arden, 2 blushes and 1 highlighter illuminator de tint. So, I think this is the blush on and this is the highlighter. Well, I can say it's really like small. So, yung size niya is really small, not like what you can see on the box. I don't expect like this small. And this is the mascara, Dramatic Volume Length and Lift Mascara Volume. Yan. Okay, next makeup is, it's really hard to take out. Ano ba yan? Really good. I cannot take it out. Oh, next. Really nice lipstick. Wow. So this is the lipstick. And this is number 37, Smoky Plum. Like I said, I'm not gonna swatch it. And this is the second lipstick. And this is number 14, Pale Petal. So, parang ditong nude. Third lipstick ay ang This is number 33, the Wild Berry. Really nice color. And number 4 lipstick is the Wow. I can say wow. And this is number 2, Red Door Red. Really red. I think it's a bit the same. Ayan. I'm not gonna keep this. And the last 2 lip gloss. Ano bang kulay ng lip gloss? Ayan. Merong isang pink and light brownish. Ayan. The last product is the eyeliner. Ayan. With the eyeliner, smoky black. This one, I will keep it. Kasi wala na akong eyeliner. Ayan. So, these are all the products inside. Well, I can say mas maliit siya sa picture. So, like the blush on, I found the blush on really small. I didn't expect na ganito siya kaliit, but yeah. And the eyeshadow, it's okay. But may mga nakita kong fault, like the eyeshadow palette. Ito may plastic cover, see? Ito yung plastic niya. And which the other one doesn't have plastic cover. Ayan. And the rest, let's see later, or let's see on the next 10 years kung magagamit ko ba sila. And ayan, ito yung card. Night look. And they have the day look. And later on, I will wrap it. Kasi may Christmas party kami. So, I will wrap it and give it to my friends. I will not tell you how much is it. Kasi nga, this is a special gift for my friends. Thank you for watching and hope you like it. And if you subscribe, please do so and click the notification bell. I'll see you and Merry Christmas to all. Share the love. Bye-bye.